Guess what made our volunteers smile today? Just a few Indonesian words?
And have to write down and remember.
They've been learning basic Indonesian, and it's a game changer.
So team 2, okay?
Now they can greet students, give simple instructions, and even understand classroom chatter. It's made teaching smoother and way more fun.
And one will find the object.
From Selamat Pagi to full classroom interaction, language really is the key to connection.
Here?
Want to connect better with your students too? Start with basic Indonesian. It's easier and more fun than you think.